Hello there. We are looking at the Euro USD. This is a 4-hour time frame, and what we're looking for is an opportunity to go short. Right now, we have a trend that is down. The price is underneath the moving averages. The blue moving average is underneath the red moving average. So we've got the downtrend on the price chart. When we're looking at the RH Viper indicator, the Viper line, the blue Viper line is below the red Viper line. So we've got the full downtrend. Now, when it comes to the RH Viper filter, it doesn't matter what color this is at this time. It's more important to look at this when it comes to the trade itself, but not for the trend. It's blue, but again, that doesn't much matter right now. What we're looking for at this point is looking for the price to pull back and touch the blue moving average. In this case, we've got the setup. So then we'd be looking for that short opportunity. We'd be looking for a signal. So let's watch this and see what happens. So we did get that pullback into that blue moving average. We've got the setup to go short. Now we're looking for a signal to go short. What we need to see is that the trend stays intact, that the trend keeps pointing down, and we're looking for a candle now to close below the blue moving average. Okay, we've got a candle that closed below the blue moving average, but that's not all we need. We need to have a couple of other components to this. So we've got this one candle that closed below the blue moving average, but at this point, we don't have any of the other criteria. This one candle is currently forming, but it looks like we may get all the other criteria met at the close of this candle. We have the RH Viper indicator. We've got that histogram turning red. And the RH Viper filter is also red. When this candle closes, we're going to take a look and see if there's a red arrow above this candle. And if there is, we can go short. All right, so this candle closed and we got exactly what we need. We've got the red arrow appearing above the candle. We've got the RH Viper histogram. Its bar has turned red and the RH Viper filter is also red. Now this next candle, this little one here, this is currently forming. What we need is the information for this closed one. So now we can place a trade. We're going to place a short trade at the close of this candle or at the open of the next one. And that's going to be obviously the current price. With that placed, I'm going to place my stop loss just above this most recent swing high. And now that we've got the stop loss placed, we know exactly how far the take profit should be. And it's going to be 1-to-1. So I'll place that 1-to-1 take profit right now. And the next thing we need to do is wait for a candle to form completely underneath this blue moving average. Once that happens, we get an opportunity to trail the stop. We're going to implement some trade management. And we did get that candle. This one candle has indeed formed entirely below this blue moving average. So I'm going to take my stop loss and move it just above that candle's blue moving average. So I'm going to be placing my stop loss just above this area here. And this has effectively cut the risk on this trade down to less than half. And I'm going to continue to do this as this trade plays out. So with every new candle, I'm going to move my stop loss along this blue moving average, and that is going to reduce the risk further and further. All right, so we've got a handful of candles that have closed and we've got this little area in here. So it's a good thing that we're not placing our stop loss on the blue moving average, but keeping it away a little bit. And this managed to sneak us by this little area where the price touched and poked above that blue moving average. We want to expect that a little bit, and that's why we place a stop loss like we do. This is the currently open candle. This is the closed candle, and I have moved my stop loss to just above this moving average of this closed candle, and it has put us in profit just a little bit. So if we do lose this trade, or if the stop loss gets taken out, I should say, we are going to make money one way or another. If the take profit gets hit, great, we won everything that we're looking for. If the stop loss gets hit, we're still going to make a little bit of money. And that was that. We didn't get a whole lot of extra action. The price continued to move down and take us out for the full amount. It was really easy. Again, we did get this little bit of a pullback in here, but because we don't place our stop loss right on that blue moving average, we do keep a little bit of a space above it. We were safe. It didn't touch the stop loss. We managed to get the full amount on this trade. Thank you for watching this trade, and I'll see you in another trade video.